This is the Xopax PXC12. And this is the PXC12 with the accessory support kit and cutter accessory installed. We're going to walk you through how to install these onto your Xopax machine. The accessory support kit and the cutter accessory are sold separately, but we'll need them both. Let's start by taking the pair of washers that come in your accessory support kit and install those onto the knob of the bottom bar. You can see that this knob loosens easily by hand. Just slip the washer onto that bolt and replace the knob onto the end of the bar and tighten. Repeat this on the other side. We suggest doing one side at a time so balancing the bar is easier. Next, we'll install the brackets. Using a screwdriver, remove the screw from the end of the top bar. We'll be replacing the screw. Next, loosen the black knob. The forked end of the bracket will slip over the bolt of the black knob. The washer we installed in the last step will stay on the outside of the bracket closest to the knob. Tighten the screw into the top bar and secure the black knob. Repeat this step on the other side of your machine. With the brackets in place, we'll move on to installing the actual accessory bar and cutter. To install the blade into your cutter, unscrew the front plate and set aside. The blade fits nicely into the groove. Replace the front plate and secure the screw. To install the accessory bar, remove the screw from each end and secure through the top hole of the bracket. Before you secure the bar's second side, slip the cutter onto the bar so the blade points down. Now you can tighten the screws on each end of the bar and adjust the angle of the cutter and tighten using the little black knob on the top.